Hi all, welcome back to the HackerRank SQL series, and this is the second video. And in this video, we are solving question 2. So the question is revising the select query 2. It is a very basic select query. So let's understand the question. To query the name field for all the American cities in the city table where population is larger than 1,20,000 and country code for America is USA. So this question is saying we need to query only the name field from the city table which is having country code as a USA and population is larger than 1,20,000. So this is exactly same as the first question which we solved. But in the first question we selected all the columns with the help of a star keyword. But here we need to only select a single field. So this is the only difference. So let's write a query. Select, and I will put a name field here in the select statement. From our table name is city, so city. And as I already mentioned, to filter the data from a table, so we need to use a where condition, where clause. Okay, so there are two conditions. One is population larger than 1,20,000 and the another condition is country code USA. When both the conditions satisfy, then only the record should come. So we can, in the where clause, we can write any condition as a first condition. So let me write a population as a first condition this time. Population is greater than 1,20,000, and then I will use the AND keyword because we need both the condition should be true, then only the record should come. That's why I'm using the AND logical operator. Okay, so AND country code is equal to USA. And let me close the query with a semicolon. So if you see for the country code USA, I'm using a single quote because country code is a varchar 2 field, whereas population I'm not using any single quote because population is a number field. For number field we can directly give the values, whereas for any other data type we need to use a single quote, otherwise we will get an error. So it's the basic select statement. So let me run the code now. Okay, so it says test case passed, and if you see in the output there is only a single field, that is a name field which belongs to country code USA and population is more than 1,20,000. So let's understand the question. Let's analyze the query one more time. So this is our basic select statement. So here in the select statement we are using the name field, so we can use as many field as we want by comma separated here, but as of now only the name field. And then we applied a where condition, so both the condition will satisfy, then only the record will come. So this is our where condition, and this is and is a logical operator. So when both the condition are true, then only the output is true. So it is a basic select statement. So I hope you understand the select query and the output. So yeah, so please do like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. So thanks for watching and happy learning.